Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nesting Padasale. I hope many of the students who had given the CSIR examination wrote your CSIR examination successfully. Okay, so in this video I'm just going to make my personal analysis of how about the question that has been asked with regard to joint CSIR Senate examination and how the cutoff will be. Okay, so in only for shift 1 student I'm going to revise, friends. I'm going to do this particular analysis. If you wrote your exam on shift 2, just wait. I'll be making analysis for you and I'll be uploading you tomorrow. Okay, so with regard to the questions, see, you should know the question paper consists of 3 parts: part A, part B, part C. And if you take the questions are part A, ultimately as usual the part A questions will be hard only. But if you have revised the important topics alone for part A, then you can clear the examination. That is, you will be getting a positive mark for those questions that you had attempted in part A. Not only for part A, for part A, part B, part C, mostly expected questions alone came. Like if you had prepared for CSIR examination only for 2 months or 3 months, only by revising the most important topics alone means then there is highest possibility for you to clear this examination. So have a positive mindset till the exam results will be declared. Next, with regard to part B questions, so every time part B questions will be easy only, like that the questions will be a direct one. So many students will be attempting more questions from part B and they will be getting a correct marks. The negative marking will be very much less for part B question. But this time the part B questions are really confusing and the questions were been little bit tricky. Many students find very difficult for answering to question that has been asked in part B. Okay, when you take part C question, the questions were very easy and also repeated questions and repeated concepts alone came. Okay, and if you had already revised the question paper and then you enter into, like if you take myself and all, I just revised the past year question paper alone for 1 month of period, and while revising each question paper I'll be taking a most important concept, like I'll be making my own customized most important topic notes. So like that, if you had done means that definitely you'll be clearing, because generally if you take CSIR examination, that too in life sciences, you can't able to expect the repeated question in case and also a repeated concept. But this times many questions has been repeated, and also please share your experience in the comment section below so that we can discuss them. And with regard to answers for those questions, I'm currently preparing for that particular video and I'll be soon uploading you. Next, with regard to this particular syllabus wise question, if you take means and question has been asked equally in all kind of units, like if you take biochemistry, again from electron transport one question has been asked, and also from this tRNA one question has been asked. The next thing you should know, the question has been asked and it is easy for a student to answer the question even though if he is having a basic knowledge in the subject. Like if he had revised the NCERT book, it will be very much easy for you or easy for him to clear the concept. Okay, the questions were with respect to BSc standard only, because generally the question that are set by NTA, it will be research based question will be asked, but this time I hope NTA has asked easy questions only. And with regard to unit number 2, again the question has been asked easy. They just ask in which phase of cell cycle the chromosomes will be clearly visible, like the questions has been asked. Okay, so next thing is with regard to this unit number 3, fundamental process. Okay, so unit number 3 also question has been asked, repeated question only asked. So they had asked the question with regard to DNA repair, histones protein only asked. Okay, and with regard to unit number 4, so every year from cancer one question will be asked under this unit. So again from cancer we got one question from cancer. Okay, next with regard to unit number 5, dev bio also the question has been asked and it is easy to answer. Okay, there was a question with regard to eggs, like mesolithical eggs, what they are asked, and they just asked a question with regard to types of cleavage. There was a question regard to system physiology plant, which is very easy question has been asked, because generally the question that has been asked in system physiology plant is not easy, friends. There was a question from sensory photobiology, for plant hormone and nitrogen metabolism. And next thing is you should know, previously when the CSIR HRDG was involved in conducting the examination, they had conducted the examination too. June month question paper will be asked, June month one exam will be conducted and December month one exam will be conducted. So June month question paper will be very hard and December month question paper will be very easy. So many students will be writing December question paper only. Just like that, if you take the question for this particular examination cycle, it was equivalent to CSIR HRDG December month question paper. It was very easy. Okay. Next, from system physiology plant, only little bit question has been asked, and from inheritance biology, that is genetics, one question has been asked from pedigree. So that is 2 question has been asked, one in unit part B and one in part C. And next, from mutation, there was a question. And with regard to diversity of life form, Again the question will be very much hard only, because if you had analyzed the red data book, like if you had up to date knowledge in red data book, then you can clear the question that has been asked. There was a question with regard to critically endangered predatophyte organism, like that they were asked. And regard to ecology also, I think the question paper was asked, because when I was writing my exam on 2020, there were many questions asked from unit number 9, unit number 10 and unit number 11, but this time question has been asked shared equally from all unit. Next, with regard to evolution, many question has been asked under this unit, and also from geological time scale alone 3 question has been asked, 1 question in part B and 2 question in part C, and also it is an easy question only, friends. Okay, next with regard to 12, 13 also many question has been asked. Okay, and if you ask me what about the cutoff, based on your question paper alone, I can't able to predict the cutoff. You need to wait for shift number 2 also, because they don't release a individual cutoff for shift 1 and shift 2. They will be merging and they will be taking a raw mark of student and they'll be combining you and they'll be releasing a single cutoff. At this time point, I can't able to make any analysis with cutoff. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in my upcoming videos, definitely I'll be sharing what will be the cutoff for the joint CSR UGC NET examination. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video.